Hello guys, so welcome once again to this channel and thank you for choosing this video. If you're someone who wants to make money online in 2024, if you have not ever made money online before, or if you have not even started to make money online in 2024, I'll be coming out with a course where I'm going to teach how to make money online. I'm going to teach you all the tricks, all the tips, all the things that you need. The only thing that you need is your phone. And you just get this course that I'm going to introduce in 2024. By buying this course is just going to be cheap. It won't be more than 100 Ghana cedis. It will be more than even $10. It is going to be very affordable for everyone to get this course, and you just put what I'm going to explain in the course into practice, and upon doing that, I hope you are going to make your first money online, because I am earning money online and I'm going to show you all the things that I'm doing, all the tips, all the tricks that you need to make money online. I'll show you in this course how you'll be able to start making money online as a content creator, how you'll be able to resell online. I'll show you the tips and the tricks in this course. So just get ready for this course and you will start making money online. This is for beginners. If you're someone who already knows how to make money online, this is not for you. This is for beginners. This is for freshers. This is for upcoming online making money guys who want to make money online the legit and then the right way. Everything is just going to be explained. So all what I have to do is just get this course that is going to be published 2024. Just get this course, start learning it and put it into practice, and you're just going to make money online every day. Thank you for watching this video. See you. Bye bye.